Here's another example of a word problem where we can create a system of equations to find the solution. So 1 month, Laura rented 4 movies and 8 video games for a total of $49. So my variables are, I can do M for movies, V for video games, and this first sentence gives me my first equation. 4M plus 8V is equal to $49. And then the next month, she rented 2 movies and 3 video games for $19. So there's my second equation. 2 movies plus 3 video games is equal to $19. So now I want to figure out how can I get a letter that's going to cancel. So if you look at the M's, notice that you have 4 and 2. If I multiply the bottom by -2, I will get a -4 coefficient, and then that would cancel. So let's rewrite my system of equations here. 4M plus 8V equals 49, and -4M minus 6V equals -2 times 19, -38. So now let's add those equations together. So you just add your columns straight down. So the M's cancel, and 8V plus -6V is positive 2V. 49 take away 38 is 11. So V is 11 divided by 2. So 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Remember, we're finding the rental cost. So it cost $5.50 to rent V, video games. So sometimes picking variables that aren't x's and y's are helpful because it lets you know what your final answer represents. So now to find the cost to rent the movies, I've got to go back to my original equation. So original, let's just take that top one, 4M plus 8V is 49, and I know that V is 5.5, so I can go back to that for plugging it in. Plug that in. So 4M plus 8 times 5.5 equals 49. So now 8 times 5.5 equals 44. So 4M plus 44 equals 49. So now we want to isolate that 4M variable. So 4M equals 49 minus 44, which is 5. So M is 5 divided by 4. And 5 divided by 4 is 1.25. So it cost $1.25 to rent the movies here.